everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Voice is a bit croaky, sorry about that. Okay guys, I have got an hour to blitz this house. It is a bank holiday weekend. We've had family to stay. We've been having a lovely time at home, enjoying each other's company, but the house. So this is, I guess, like I want to do spring clean take 2, but I've got about an hour to do it. So the big boys are out. Leo's gone to watch Clint play football. Cooper has literally just gone down for his nap. That's why I'm telling myself I've got about an hour and I need to stop yakking and get on with it because time's of the essence. Let's clean. Okay, so I'm going to be focusing completely on the kitchen and family room in this nap time because I don't want to wake Cooper up, obviously, and I'm just going to focus on our main family room. So using this Astonish surface cleaner and this sponge microfiber cloth, I'm going to wipe down all of the kitchen surfaces. Again, guys, I'm so sorry for my croaky voice. I've really lost my voice the last couple of days, and this is the only bit of my voice that I've got left, so I'm using it wisely. But yeah, I'm wiping down all of the sides, and I'm going to wipe down all of the knickknacks and all of the little bits that are on the sides in the kitchen as well. I'm also just going to open up the microwave and give that a little spray down as well. Just want to make sure that I lift up all of the bits and get underneath. I feel like there's lots of crumbs and things from all the hot cross buns and everything we've been having over the Easter bank holiday, and I just want to make sure all of that's gone. So much so, I'm going to use my handheld vacuum and the thin little nozzle to get all of the bits out of the hob. Once all the crumbs are removed, I'm going to use the same Astonish surface spray and cloth just to give the hob a wipe down. Okay, into the family room section of the kitchen now. First thing I need to do is obviously tidy up because I can't clean anything with all of this mess around. So I'm going to tidy away all of Cooper's toys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be like.
Next up, I'm also going to take apart the high chair. Cooper is no longer using the high chair. He's moved on to a booster seat. So I'm going to clean this so that it's ready to be put in the attic. I'm going to wipe it all down, take it apart and get it ready to go in the attic.
I'm done living life lights out, die with my own doubt.
I managed to get the legs off easily, but honestly, I had no idea how to get the tray off this. If anyone knows how to get the tray off an IKEA high chair, please let me know. So onto the dining table now. Again, I'm just using the same simple Astonish surface spray to spray down and wipe down all of the dining table.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on.
As I said, Coops is now using a booster seat, so I'm going to wipe this down as well, get out all the little crummies.
Take my hand, we'll make it.
I have rolled the boys' playmat out of the way so that I can give the floor a thorough hoover, getting up any crumbs that have gone underneath the playmat.
Out, be free with me.
I also want to use the thin nozzle on the hoover to get into all of the crevices and make sure that no crumbs are left. Okay, on to dusting now. I'm going to use my Fabulosa surface polish with this suede cloth made by Sponge, and I'm going to dust all of the surfaces in the family room.
Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free.
I'm also going to pull out all of the boys' toy boxes and just dust within this IKEA unit as well, because it can get quite dusty and marked within the unit. So I'm going to pull out each box and polish underneath.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been.
I've got to stop to light my hot crust bun candle because it just smells amazing and it will keep me going through my power hour. Okay, next up is skirting boards. I'm going to put some hot water with a little bit of dish soap in this bowl here to clean my skirting boards.
But somehow.
I'm going to use the famous sponge cloth to clean. So if you know, they go rock hard when they're dry, but then as soon as they go wet, they go super soft. As you can see, they're extremely absorbent, and I find them amazing for doing things like skirting boards. So I'm just going to soak them in the soapy solution, wipe it across the skirting board, and it really attracts all of the dust really easily. So you can see here, just from doing one wipe, I've got all of that dust off.
Something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
I feel like he's going to wake up any second now. So before he does, I'm going to use this soapy solution to wipe down all of my cupboard doors. It was the last thing I wanted to do, just the cupboard doors and the kickboards beneath. I'm just going to quickly go over them before the baby wakes up.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Guys, he's awake. It was like, yeah, pretty much an hour. I was hoping I might get some time to actually, you know, put my feet up or eat. as well as clean during that time, but no, he's awake. Oh. Is there a happy boy in here? Should we open these? Oh, nice and sunny out there. Hello. Woken up very happy. Yeah? So guys, that's obviously the end of my speed clean. Now His Majesty is awake. Gonna get him dressed before the boys come back from football. And it's actually Easter Sunday today, so we are going on an Easter egg hunt at my parents' house later today. Yes, we are. So thank you so much for watching my latest video, my latest Motivation Monday as well. You know, I got some stuff done. It wasn't as much as I wanted to get done, but I got some stuff done. So that is a massive achievement. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Say bye. Say bye.